Hello everyone, my name is Nicole and I'm a law graduate at Helix Legal. I have the pleasure of introducing our next pitcher, Hugh Campbell. Hugh is the CCO of Jonas Premier, a construction software. And with that, I'll hand it over to Hugh. Thank you.
So I'm starting a little bit differently, guys. I've got a video that I thought would waste some time, but actually when I timed myself today, it took 11 minutes to finish this speech. So again, that's me. Let's see if we can get this to work. It's meant to be sound, wasn't it?
Sorry.
That's all right. And that's my pitch, thank you. So as I introduced before, my name is Hugh Campbell. I'm the CCO at Premier Software. A bit of a different style pitch today. It's more of an introduction to our software. So I've actually only been with the business for about 5 weeks now. I'm on a national tour, trying to visit all of our customers and also introduce everyone that I can to the product. So who is Premier? Has anyone heard, I'm sure the Helix people have heard of Premier, but anyone else heard of Jonas Premier or Premier? In a few people. Okay, great. Excellent. So to start with, basically an advanced financial and project management software. We're lucky to be owned by the Constellation and Jonas software groups. So for those of you that don't know, Constellation is a major group that owns now, I think, 800 companies it's acquired over its life, but we're the first software that's actually been built for purpose by Constellation because of the gap in the market. The product's been available both here and in North America for about 8 years, and our local clientele has all been through referrals. So hence me trying to meet people and expand our network. So again, built out of Canada for both the North American and the Australian sectors. What is Premier? So again, you just watched the video, so you've got a bit of an idea. But it's a software that's designed specifically for the head contractor and development sectors, replacing accounting software and payroll, and then adding in project management technology as well. We're focused on collaboration and automation and basically combining departments. So your finance department with your projects department and your site team as well. Where do we sit in the market? So look, our major competitors at this stage would probably be JobPack, Cheops, MyOb Advance, and then we also have indirect competitors such as Xero, MyOb, and project management software as well. The benefit that we've got is our major competitors are sitting on legacy software. So a lot of those softwares have also been acquired by US businesses and are less localised now in the Australian market. Which is exactly why we're touring around to introduce the product to as many people as we can. So the difference with Premier is that we're a modern cloud-based software, so it was rebuilt on the back of Silverlight. Simple UI, connection to mobile, focus on providing a world-class, I'm reading this now because I made this afternoon, so excuse me, localised for APAC as well. So clientele in Australia, we have about 200, and again, this has all been through referrals. So we have an amazing clientele base, and they'd like to talk about us, obviously. So in front of you here, you see our major Queensland clients, and then we have a further 600 clients in North America as well. So innovation, how do we innovate at Premier? Innovation is very important. Nice little funny little comic there for you as well to break it up. But basically via technology, connection, and our future roadmap. Excuse me. So technology. So this will mean a lot to some of you, a lot of you maybe, and very little to the rest. But basically, our bones behind the software, it was rebuilt on the back of Silverlight about 6 years ago, looking forward to the next kind of 10 to 15 years. So again, compared to our competitors that have a lot of skeletons in the closet because they don't actually mention that to their clients, and in the next probably 12 to 24 months, they're going to need to upgrade their framework or merge with other technologies as well. Connection. So we're a leader with a Canadian and Australian style of communication. So you guys will know probably a lot of other construction technology companies playing in the space. They lead with an American style kind of communication, which is pretty abrupt. Get the customers in, make sure that they're set up, and then just let it run. We work a little bit differently. So we connect directly with our clients and their staff, hence me traveling around the country in the next 4 weeks. Industry leaders, that's both our existing clients, but also other industry leaders, other building companies that may be clients of ours in the future, but not necessarily. Everyone sitting in the room here today. Local authorities and governing bodies, and everyone's talking about trust accounting. So we're in fortnightly meetings with QBCC about the same thing as everyone's discussing as well, looking at how we can move forward with trust accounting within our software. Experts providing other services in the industry, whether it's legal, such as Helix, finance, and other businesses. And again, a global approach with a localised focus on the product working for the Australian market. The future roadmap. So again, with a huge team in North America backing us up, we've got some exciting advances coming in the next 12 months. So trust accounting, been mentioned probably more than anything else between all of the speakers today. Financial functionality, so we're also going to be able to have bank feeds in the software similar to how Xero does, and so you can reconcile directly with your bank. Advanced custom reporting and dashboards, project management tools, so a competitor but slightly indirect competitor, Procore, is known in the industry of having very good site management tools, and that's something that we're now looking at kind of introducing, so drawing management and site connection so that we can keep everyone on a single platform. Strategic API integration partners, so rather than having an open API for everyone in a marketplace, very strategic. Partnerships that we're talking with a health and safety company, which is a startup out of Melbourne, that's going to have a very simple process and connect properly rather than just on the outside like a lot of them do. And the X10 or 10X growth plan in the next 5 years, both here and in North America. And that is me. Thanks very much. Love to chat to any of you afterwards. And thanks again to Helix for having us today.